Welcome to Georgie's kitchen. Today we are going to make some chocolate chip cookies. Let's start. Ask your mom to buy this cookie dough from the supermarket. Gordon, first peel some off, okay? Now press, shape it. This is not enough. Then you add a bit more. Now, one cookie. Now, let's put one here. Never mind, Gordon, we will do. Okay. This is quite big cookie dough. Set the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. We need to bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Now the cookies are ready! Now, naughty Gordon has gone for a shower. I get to make another round of cookies by myself. You can make whatever shape you like. I'm making a dinosaur. Now, my kitty, cookies and dinosaur are ready to bake. Now, my cookies are ready. Remember to put your gloves on so you don't burn yourself. Now, we put them on the plate. Now, the cookies are ready to eat. So crunchy!
Do you like it, Gordon?
It's really yummy! Thanks for watching, guys. I will be doing many experiments and cooking with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any fun activities. Remember to check the bell so you don't miss out any notifications. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.